Hey, hi everybody, this is the Math 31 Applications Review. This is question 5G. We've been given an expression here for the function, an expression that relates the height of a ball to the time it's in flight here. This question here asks, what is the average velocity of the object from the time it is projected until the time it hits the ground? Okay, average velocity is change in displacement over the change in time. Now, there is some information here in the previous questions that kind of they're all leading up to this. Okay, now don't assume too much here. Don't try to do too much work here. Basically, change in displacement. What we want to know here is how far has this traveled? Well, we're assuming that it's only going in one direction, and it goes up and then comes back down again. So where did it start from? Well, the initial height of the ball was 2 units. We figured that out at the very, very beginning. When does it hit? Where does it hit the ground, or at what height does it hit the ground? Well, the answer is 0. Okay, so what happened here is it ends at 0. Okay, it started at 2, and it did this in a space of, 4.1 seconds minus 0 seconds, because at the 0 second mark, it was 2 centimeters up, and then when it's 0 meters up, if you will, that's at the 4.1 second mark. So this is really just going to become -2 over 4.1, and you know what? I'm just going to evaluate that. I'll get that down to a nice little decimal here. -2 divided by 4.1, and so this is about approximately a -0. We'll go to the nearest hundredth here just to make it look a little bit nicer. Centimeters per second, so -0.49 centimeters, which isn't very fast, okay? But that's because we're asking for the average velocity, and in this case, the issue is displacement, not distance.